Ngolusuku kwiminyaka engamashumi amathandatgu anesithandathu eyadlulayo ngapha kwe-20,000 yamanina abamba umngcelele osingise kwizakhiwo zomdibaniso ePitoli. Lamanina ayephuma kwindawo ngeendawo zeli ayesithi kwanele ngokuphatha kwabemi beli amabhasi kwilizwe labo. Namhlanje ulusuku lubhiyozelwa jikelele kweli. Umbhiyozo ngundoqo ubanjelwe eRichmond, KwaZulu Natal, nalapho umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa eseqongeni ngalomzuzu enikezela khona intetho yokuhlonipha amanina eli. Masithi xada kwintetho kamongameli.
Households. Learners are exempted from paying school fees and they receive meals at school. And when we talk about meals, people often forget ukuthi lo hulumeni wethu on a daily basis throughout the country we provide food to almost 9 million young people for 5 days every week. I know of no government on the continent that does that. So the government has initiated many programs to care for those who are vulnerable and those who are poor. Women are more likely to be unemployed than men. When we look at the unemployment figures, many more women are unemployed. Around half of all women in South Africa are unemployed, including those who have given up looking for work. On average, women still earn far less than men. This was shown or thrown into the spotlight with the victory of Banyana, and I spoke about this, where I found ukuthi, much as we applaud Banyana, imali abazoyithola is far less than what Bafana would get if they won the cup. And I said, kufanele ukuthi kupheliswe lokho, kube ne-equal pay for equal work. Ngoba it makes no political, no economic, no social sense whatsoever that we remunerate men for equal work that they do with women and remunerate women far less. And loko sesizakubheka ukuthi kube nomthetho. We must begin to demonstrate our seriousness about equality between men and women, and we are going to do it. Whether bayathanda amadoda noma abathandi kuzawenzeka. Nina niyakuthanda? Iza uthi ayahlupheka amadoda. Hayi, uhlupheka abantu besifazane more. Women do not get paid for caring for the elderly. They do not get paid for caring for children and other family members. Bayafukuza ubusuku nasemini kodwa akukho abakutholayo okubonakalayo.